How to find draft post on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Instagram app over here and then click on little plus icon and then go to your camera and then shoot any picture or video over here. And you can add it over here. If you want to share it, just click on share. But if you want to quit it, just go back and save this to your drafts. If you discard it, it will go from here. And then again, click on plus icon. And here, just right to your recents, you can see drafts. Just click on the drafts option. And here you can see that draft picture or video. If you want to delete it, you can delete it over here. Just select the picture or video, whatever it is. Just click on done. And then you can easily get rid of it. You can delete it. You can, if you want to repost it, you can repost it over here. Like add tags, add remembers, and here it is. Just click on edit, and now I am going to tell you how to delete it. Just click on discard post and you can easily delete this draft post. Hope this helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.